Welcome to the CryptoUnity's guide. Let's begin. Go on our website and click on Buy Now. Click on Register at the bottom to create your account. Type in your name, email, and your password, which you confirm in the field below. If any of your friends shared the affiliate code, enter it here to get a discount on your purchase. After creating your profile, you'll have to complete the KYC. KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a process that helps against money laundering and prevents the financing of terrorist activities. It's a mandatory process required by many countries to ensure that the customers are actually who they are claiming to be. So, click on KYC, select your country of origin and agree with the terms, then click on Next. Consent to the processing data and click on Next. Select the issuing country, choose the document type, then upload a picture of the front and back of your identification document. Now you have to take a selfie. It's easier to do it on the phone. If you choose this option too, just click on Continue on phone and simply scan the QR code with your camera. If that's not possible, copy the link and paste it into your browser. The camera app will open up. Center your head in the square on the screen and start to rotate your head in the circle like the lines are demonstrating. If you're doing it correctly, the lines will turn green. The verification is now in process. To continue on the desktop, click on Continue on this device. Check if the information is correct and click on Next. The data is now being processed. It should only take a moment. When you have been verified, you can proceed to the purchase form by clicking on Back to Profile. From there, click on Buy Cut. Choose a payment method. You can pay with crypto, in Ether, BNB, and BUSD, with PayPal, or with a bank transfer. The process is similar for all payment methods. If you choose crypto, you have to connect your wallet first. Click on the wallet you wish to connect. If that doesn't work, click on Wallet Connect and a QR code will appear. Open your wallet on your phone, click on the scanning option on the top right and scan the code. Then click on Connect to connect the wallet to the site. If you want to connect your wallet from your phone, click on Wallet Connect on the form and choose the wallet you want to connect with the site. Then click on Connect on the bottom right. You can continue with the purchase. Pick in which cryptocurrency you wish to purchase cut and type in the amount in euros. If you choose PayPal, a new tab opens up where you have to sign into your account and complete the purchase. And lastly, if you choose a bank transfer, you'll receive all the payment details on the email address you provided before, so if that's the case, go check your email. We thank you for your purchase. For any additional information, we are always available by email info@cryptounity.org or on our other social channels.